in case you didn't hear that, this is 2022. Are people still doing this? Please, are people still drawing eyebrow like box, like a straight line? Like, in fact, I don't know, like charcoal, or I don't know what you're drawing your eyebrow like, but this, in case you don't know, let me remind you, this is 2022, okay? Things have evolved. The way human beings and life and technology and everything is evolving is the same way makeup, eyebrow, everything is evolving. Today, I'm here for you people. See, if you have anybody that's struggling with eyebrow, how to do eyebrow, how to draw eyebrow, how to outline eyebrow, how to this, how to that, or just how to even start, people, send them this video. Share this video with them. They should come and learn how to draw their eyebrow. Nobody draws eyebrow like box again. Biko, just in case you don't know now. Know this and know God. If you don't know it, forget about it. If you don't get it, forget about it. Please, this 2020, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw your brows. Okay, things have evolved. Even myself, I added a bit of tips and tricks on how I do my brows. So if you want to see that and how it works, then keep on watching my video. Okay, before I go again, please, I wanted to just quickly do this intro because I wanted to talk, but you can hear the jam. There's a lot of noise in the background, so that's why I'm going to be doing a voiceover in this video. So just bear with me. I just really wanted to do this intro talking, but if you guys don't mind the noise, if you're okay with this, then I can probably continue to film in this kind of environment. But if it's not, let me know. So let's get into it. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'll be needing some items, which is one is the eyebrow spoolie. Everybody has this. I know everybody has this. So an eyebrow spoolie, an eye pencil. Mine is almost finished, but any eye pencil will do. This 100 naira pencil, which is very cheap, will do. I forgot something. My sharpener. You would be needing a sharpener. The sharpener is very important because the pencil needs to be sharp. And then you equally need an eyebrow gel. Like, this eyebrow gel is important. If you don't have one, please go and buy. It is very important. Very, very important. If you don't have one, go and get one. And then this is a brow gel. I used it to improvise, so you guys will see what I used it for at the end of the day. And next, okay, now, so I shaping my brow off camera. I did that a day before. I've done that already, and now I'm going to be applying setting powder on the brows, you know, to help control oil. Any setting powder will do. Here I was just using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Anyone you have would do, you know, to control oil. It's really important. And now we're dusting off excess. We're dusting off the excess powder because we don't need it to be excess. Okay. And note that I do my brows like after my skin work. Depending on you, that's fine. Sharpening the pencil is really important. You can see how sharp it is, very sharp. So please sharpen your pencil. So what you want to do now is brush upwards. Okay, upwards, and then you start lining. Your pencil needs to be sharp for you to be able to line really well. You just start a little bit at the beginning and then keep lining. Just keep drawing a straight line. Okay, not a straight line, you know, keep following your brows. That's why you need to shapen it well, okay, so that you can get a precise brow. And now I'm measuring out where the brow is supposed to stop. You see, I'll keep going back and forth with this because I don't want to overline. Okay, I need to know where it's stopping. That's why I keep measuring. So I'm measuring again. Now I'm brushing the brow downwards so that I can line the upper part of the brow. You can actually as well skip this, but this is what I do. So I'm resharpening again because pencil needs to be sharp. Okay, so for the up part, so I'm doing the same thing. I'm not starting exactly at the front of the brow. Start a little bit backwards. So I don't even know how to speak it, but you know, you want to draw that line, make sure everything is precise. And you see me raising my brow because I want to know where my arc is exactly. So that's why I raised it up. So you can see where my arc is. You can do that. That's a tip. So that you know where your arc is. And then we'll outline. I'm just trying to get the the tail of the brow to be precise. That's why I'm doing that. So just keep going back and forth till you feel it's okay for you. Please, if you hear any noise in the background, that is Ryan making noise. He's right here disturbing, playing with his toys and all. So yeah, you can see that my brow is where I want it to be. And now I'll be brushing upwards because we want to fill in the brows. Here, you're just going to be filling in the spaces. You're not going to be over painting. Sharpen again, very important. I'm showing you guys this sharpening at every point because it's really important. So make sure your pencil is sharp, and then you want to fill in. You just fill in the spaces. Okay, we are not painting here, we are just filling in. You can see I'm just filling in the places where I have space. To just make everything look natural, and then brush as you feel. Please brush as you feel so that your brows look natural and on point. Okay, keep going back and forth like this till you get what you want. So I've finished with that brow. I'm going to be doing the same thing to this other side. I'm just really not going to talk here, and here is just going to be fast because I've already shown you guys the main thing with this one. So I'm just replicating the same thing here. So we're just going to be fast. And yeah, so I'll be talking to you guys when I'm done with this part. Okay. Now to outline my brows, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and MAC concealer in NW. I don't know, I'll leave that in the description box. So I'm just taking a little bit of foundation and the concealer. I'm going to be using this darker foundation. That's the NW, MAC NW. I don't know. And then you need a flat brush, please. Very important. A flat brush is important. I'm going to be using that Maybelline foundation, which is a dark one, for the front part of the brows. And this is my reason, because the front part of the brows, you know very well, that's where we contour. Do you understand? So there's no point using a light shade there, and this particular shade of foundation is what I use to contour my nose. So that's why you want to use this there, so that everything just blends. It just blends in with your contour. And then this inner corner and this outer, this I don't even know what to use, but this part of your brows, this is where you're going to be using the lighter shade, nothing too light, so that you'll be able to blend it. So this is the trick. These are the tips and tricks you need to know when it comes to doing your brows, for everything to look natural and well blended. So take your time in doing this. Most of the time I don't even do this. I only do this when I know that, okay, I just want to be a bit extra. And please be brushing as you're blending. Take it downwards so that when it's time to blend, you'll be able to blend it very well. So now I'll be using this brush. My brushes are dirty, sorry. I'll be using this should I call it fluffy brush, to blend out everything. Blending is very important when it comes to makeup, so take your time, sweethearts. You don't have to rush. Anybody who says you need to rush, don't listen to them. Blend, please. And then I think I used the same dark foundation. I mixed it now. I mixed the concealer and the foundation here to, get something close to my skin for this outer corner. And that's what you need for the tail part. So bring it downwards and then blend. So I'm just going to do the same thing on this side, and as usual I'm just going to rush this part because I've already shown you guys what I did here, but just in case you still want to see it, that's why I'm repeating it here again. So now we are done blending and highlighting our brows. Now we're going to move into the my brow mascara at the brow gel. This brow gel is really, you see how it just changes the whole brow game. Can you see that? That is what I'm talking about. And you want to brush it upwards, upwards, upwards. Okay, don't skip this step. It does a lot. Now this is a brow gel that I could have used to actually outline my brows, but I didn't use that because it's a bit dry. So I'm just using it instead to act as a brow tamer for my brow, as a brow gel. So this is if you don't have a brow mascara, this is something you can do. So I was just saying improvise. So you just improvise. Okay, if you have any brown liner in the house, you can just use that as your brow gel. You understand? So this is the final look. This is what I did after doing the brow tutorial. This is the look I created. So enjoy. I love you for infinity. And now this is our brow. This is the final brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.